So it looks like you got you a new pattern there.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's got a lot of flippy corners, and those take so long.
Do you know there's a quick and easy way to do them?
No. Will you show me?
I will, but I want you to show me how you do them first.
Okay. All right.
So, that's your block.
All right. Do we? I use a pin.
Oh, let me go grab a pen. Whoops. See, that even one thing else that takes so long. Let's see. Here we go.
Perfect. So I draw a line, put it in the corner, and I draw a line from corner to corner. Gotta get it up there. Okay. Then I sew on that line.
Okay. Man, you sure are slow.
I know.
On the line,
Whoops.
on the line.
Yep, I'm slow. Okay. So then I usually press it first to make sure that it's even, and then I trim off this piece to make it a 1/4 inch.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna press it this time, but so I trim it off, and there I've got my flippy corner. But that takes a long time.
Let me show you a quick and easy way.
Awesome.
Okay. So this here is a Creative Grids folded corner clipper. This is the regular size. It comes in an extra large size too if you have some large blocks that you're working on. So don't need that. Throw that away. Don't need that. So we're going to take one of these, right sides together, not drawing a line. Then you're going to cover up the part you want to keep. So we got that. We trim it. And you know what you can do with this? You can sew them together and get an extra block that sister block that you can make a quilt out of.
Hey, that's neat.
And then I'm going to take this to my machine. I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch. I'm not sewing on a line, but I'm going to sew my standard 1/4 inch. Press it. All right, cut it. And then I press it open, and there you go.
Wow, that was a lot quicker.
Yes, very, very much quicker. Something else you can do with this ruler? Do you ever have problems when you get ready to sew all your binding strips together?
Yes, I always get them backwards and every which way.
Well, let me show you. If you take your strips, line them up right sides, stacking them on top of each other, right side to wrong side. Then you take the clipper and you're going to trim. This is the wrong direction for me, but
yeah.
Get it here. Okay. And then I'm going to flip it this way. I'm going to make sure my angle is the same angle as that one.
Okay.
Line it up. Cut off that little notch. Go right up the side. And then what I do when I get ready to sew it together, I just line that corner up here on where I've clipped it. Line it up there. Come over here. And where's my foot pedal? There it is. And there you have have it.
Wow, and you never have to worry about getting them backwards or,
Correct, yes.
at the wrong angle
Yes.
or whatever.
Yes, and see, they're all going the right direction.
Awesome.
One other thing that's great about this tool is you can do flying geese with it. So basically, you take your goose unit, these will be your skies. You gotta line up the corners. Again, you're gonna cover up what you want to keep. Then you're gonna trim, sew it, then you press it open, then you take your other half, line it up, place this, cover up what you want to keep, and trim it, and then I'm going to sew it. And then you press it and you trim it down.
Wow, that's a lot faster too.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yes. I fell in love with this once I started using it, and I think you will too. So stop by Quilters Therapy. You can drop in anytime. There's no appointment necessary. Happy quilting!